Welcome, viewers, to an exploration of one of history's most captivating figures, Napoleon Bonaparte. Today, we dive into the epic tale of a man whose ambition reshaped nations and left an indelible mark on the world. Before we unravel the chapters of his extraordinary life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on this historical journey. Let's step back in time and unravel the enigma that is Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, a towering figure in history, rose from relative obscurity to become one of the most influential military and political leaders of the 19th century. Born on August 15, 1769, on the island of Corsica, Napoleon's journey from a modest background to Emperor of the French is a tale of strategic brilliance, ambition, and profound impact on Europe. We are going to see 14 chapters of his life for easy to understand. Chapter 1: Early Life and Military Career. Napoleon's early life was marked by a relentless pursuit of education and military training. Despite his Corsican heritage, he attended military school in mainland France, showcasing his determination to overcome societal barriers. His military prowess became evident during the French Revolution, where he rapidly climbed the ranks due to his tactical genius and unwavering determination. Chapter 2: Achievements on the Battlefield. Napoleon's military achievements are central to his legacy. His campaigns in Italy and Egypt demonstrated his strategic brilliance, earning him widespread acclaim. The Battle of Austerlitz in 1805, often regarded as his masterpiece, solidified his reputation as a military genius. The Grande Armée, his formidable military force, achieved unparalleled success on the European battlefield. Chapter 3: The Napoleonic Code. The Napoleonic Code is also called the French Civil Code of 1804, defined the concept of equality before the law and also secured the right to property. Beyond his military conquests, Napoleon's impact extended to the realm of governance. The Napoleonic Code, a comprehensive legal system introduced in 1804, remains a lasting legacy. This civil law code emphasized equality before the law, individual rights, and secularism. It became a model for legal systems worldwide, shaping the principles of modern legal frameworks. Chapter 4: The Coronation and the French Empire. Napoleon's ambition reached its zenith when he declared himself Emperor of the French in 1804. The grandeur of his coronation at Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris symbolized the consolidation of his power. The establishment of the French Empire further solidified his rule, yet it sparked conflict with other European powers seeking to curb his expansionist ambitions. Chapter 5: The Peninsular War and Invasion of Russia. Napoleon's empire faced challenges on multiple fronts, notably during the Peninsular War on 1808 to 1814 in Spain and Portugal. His ill-fated invasion of Russia in 1812 proved to be a turning point. The harsh Russian winter and strategic setbacks led to the retreat of the Grande Armée, marking a decline in Napoleon's influence. Chapter 6: The 100 Days in Exile. The 100 Days, also known as the War of the Seventh Coalition, marked the period between Napoleon's return from 11 months of exile on the island of Elba to Paris on March 20, 1815, and the Second Restoration of King Louis XVIII on July 8, 1815. After a brief exile to the island of Elba, Napoleon returned to France in 1815 for a final bid for power known as the 100 Days. The Battle of Waterloo in June 1815 ended his rule definitively. Napoleon was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena, where he spent the remainder of his life in isolation. Chapter 7: Legacy and Historical Impact. Napoleon's legacy is complex and multifaceted. While his military genius and legal reforms left an indelible mark on history, his aggressive expansionism and pursuit of power sparked widespread conflict. The Napoleonic Wars reshaped the geopolitical landscape of Europe and laid the groundwork for modern nation-states. Chapter 8: Napoleon's Personality and Leadership Style. Napoleon's dynamic personality and leadership style played a pivotal role in his ascent. His charisma, coupled with a keen intellect, enabled him to inspire loyalty among his troops and political allies. However, his authoritarian tendencies and desire for absolute control also fueled internal dissent and external opposition. Chapter 9: Cultural Impact. Napoleon's influence extended beyond politics and warfare, shaping cultural developments of the time. The Napoleonic era witnessed a surge in art, architecture, and literature known as the Napoleonic style. His patronage of the arts and encouragement of intellectual pursuits contributed to a vibrant cultural scene in France and beyond. Chapter 10. Military Innovations. Napoleon revolutionized military strategy with his innovative tactics and organizational reforms. The corps system, which divided his army into self-sufficient units, enhanced mobility and coordination. His use of artillery and emphasis on rapid movement transformed traditional warfare, influencing military thinking for generations. Chapter 11. Failed Continental System. Napoleon's attempt to economically isolate Britain through the continental system ultimately failed. The blockade of British trade led to economic hardship for other European nations and strained alliances, contributing to the eventual decline of his empire. This ambitious economic strategy showcased both his vision and the challenges of implementing such far-reaching policies. Chapter 12. Complex Relationship with Religion. Napoleon maintained a complex relationship with religion throughout his rule. While he reconciled with the Catholic Church through the Concordat of 1801, solidifying Catholicism as the majority religion in France, he also sought to limit the influence of religious authorities. This nuanced approach reflects his pragmatic political maneuvering. Chapter 13. Impact on Nationalism. Napoleon unintentionally fueled the flames of nationalism across Europe. His conquests and the imposition of French revolutionary ideals sparked a sense of national identity and unity in regions resisting French rule. The subsequent Congress of Vienna in 1815 aimed to restore a balance of power and curb the spread of revolutionary and nationalist fervor. And lastly, Chapter 14. Continued Debate and Historical Interpretations. The legacy of Napoleon remains a subject of ongoing debate among historians and scholars. Some view him as a visionary reformer who left a lasting positive impact, while others emphasize the destabilizing consequences of his imperial ambitions. The Napoleonic Wars continue to be studied for their geopolitical implications and the enduring influence of Napoleonic strategies on military thought. In conclusion, Napoleon Bonaparte's life and legacy are a tapestry of triumphs and setbacks, innovation and resistance. His impact on the political, military, and cultural landscapes of Europe reverberates through the centuries. Whether celebrated as a strategic genius or criticized for his authoritarian tendencies, Napoleon's imprint on history is indelible and continues to captivate the imagination of those who delve into the complexities of his remarkable journey. And Napoleon Bonaparte's life is a captivating narrative of ambition, military brilliance, and enduring influence. From his early days in Corsica to the heights of the French Empire and eventual exile, Napoleon's story resonates as a testament to the impact of individual leadership on the course of history. If you like this video, then you might also interested in Genghis Khan's life and his life hidden mystery. Check the comment for the video and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.